Good morning students, welcome back to economics class. So in previous class we already discussed about the third chapter LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization. So in that chapter we already studied some new economic policies that India has taken various reforms in various factors. So today class we start with unit 3rd and chapter 4 poverty. So in the poverty chapter there is some key challenges are there, like completely means reduce the poverty in India, and in this chapter have aim provide basic needs to the poor people like Antyodaya card as well as a BPL card. So poorest of the poor people, India government providing the Antyodaya card. Next, more than 1/5 of the poor people living in India. More than 1/5 of the poor people living in India. So in that India where about 300 million people are not able to meet their basic needs. So basic needs like food, shelter and safe drinking water and cloth as well as education. So in 300 million people are not able to meet their basic needs like food, shelter, water, cloth and education. So these are the some basic needs. These basic needs also not possible to meet some basic needs in India. So Jawaharlal Nehru had said Constitute Assembly in 1947. So end poverty, end means reducing the poverty to provide the basic needs to the poorest people, and poor people have some diseases as well as some infections, and reduce the inequality in India. So Jawaharlal Nehru said that this is a achievement, but it is a step. Great achievement means ending of the poverty as well as ignorance of the poverty and diseases as well as inequality in India. So Jawaharlal Nehru said in 1947. So poverty means it is an action. So everyone want to escape from that action. So as like to say wealthy alike. Some rich people are like have some adequate shelter and enough to eat and access to education. But in the case of poor people, not possible to meet their basic needs. How they can meet the rich people? So our basic needs and touch madakagatiಲ್ಲ, complete madakagatiಲ್ಲ. Then they not possible to meet education as well as some health issues also are there. So this is about key challenges or some introduction about the poverty chapter. So next is the who are the poor. So yarig ನಾವು poor ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. So in previous introduction there is the main aim is that to provide the basic needs to the poorest people like Antyodaya card and some ration cards are there, BPL as well as. So next, who are the poor? So in that you would have noticed that already in urban as well as the rural areas like some localities as well as neighborhoods, there is some push cart vendors are there, as street cobblers. Okay, next women who string flowers. So some people are some women ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗನ ಹೂವು ಹಾಕೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪಿಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್, ಚಿಂದಿ ಆರಿಸೋರಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬಂಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ರಿ some goods. Next street cobblers means ಚಮ್ಮಾರರು, ರಸ್ತೆ ಚಮ್ಮಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. some beggars ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. So these are the some examples of the poor peoples. So some poor people have a land, but that is also waste land. Some people are not have land, then landless. So in that, who are the poor? There is a poor households. So poor households, they have a little food, means they not possible to meet a basic needs, food, clothing, shelter, safe water, drinking. So as well as they have a little food and unclean water, they not possible to go to school and they have a lack of education in their life. Next is the disease, infection or no energy and less skills. So here there is a little food, means there is a inadequate food, so as well as that affected to their health. So some diseases, infections are so they don't have a energy to do work. So next, low income. So they have a low income, that's why they not possible to meet the basic needs, and low self-esteem because of they having a little food, there is a malnutrition, inadequate nutrition is there, so there is a low self-esteem is there. Next is they reside in, poor people reside in pucha house. So pucha house made of the mud roof or some grass. So ಗುಡಿಸಲ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಅವರು ಪೂರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ರಿಸೈಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Some intake calories, they not possible to meet their basic needs like a food. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಫುಡ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, so they facing intake calories. Next, starvation. So starvation means here they not possible to meet meals even two. So ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿನದ 2 ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ಊಟನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 meals a day. Next, lack of literacy. So there is a not possible to poor people go to school and take a education, so there is a lack of literacy is there. Next, unstable employment. If there is a lack of literacy or there is a inadequate education, then they not possible to get any opportunities in employment. Next, limited economic opportunities. So there is a unstable employment is there, then they not possible to meet the stable economic opportunities in the economy. So malnutrition. So malnutrition means they make them physical weak. So malnutrition means there is a inadequate nutrition is there, they not possible to eat healthy food, then they facing some health issues like ill health. So very serious ill health is there. Next, some diseases as well as infections in the malnutrition. So poor people borrow money from money lenders. So as a high interest rate, say they borrowing some money from the money lenders, but they not possible to pay them interest also. So there is a chronic debt. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮನಿ ಲೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮನಿನ ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅವರು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನೋ access to electricity. So poor people not possible to meet the even basic needs like electricity. So ಅವರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So there is some poor people still now using as a cooking in their cooking fuel like firewood or there is a cow dung cake. So some poor people still now ಇವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈರ್ವುಡ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಗಣಿನ ಬಳಸಿ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಅವರು ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ firewood or cow dung cake. So there is a no safe drinking water is also. So there is a ill health issues are there, some diseases are there, some infections is. So there is a gender inequality. So in the poor people, in poor households, there is a gender equality means ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಮ್ malnutritions ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಸ್ ಕೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಮದರ್ಹುಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ದ ಪುವರ್. ಸೊ ಪುವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ there is not possible to meet even basic needs like food and sheltering, clothing as well as education. So they facing some issues like limited opportunities in economics as well as malnutrition. They facing ill health or serious ill healthness, and some they facing also some diseases and infections. So they not possible to do work because of they having a malnutrition and they have a less skills to do work. So this is about who are the poor in India. How to identify the poor in India. So next concept is how are poor people identified. So now poor people ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So in this case, for the purpose of defining the poverty, here categorize the poverty into two categories like the poor and the non-poor. So here poverty line is there. Poverty line means below poverty line and above poverty line. So poverty line separates the poor and non-poor. In that poor there is some categories are there like absolutely poor and very poor and poor. So in the case of absolutely poor, these people not possible or impossible to meet their basic needs like food, clothing, shelter and safe drinking water as well as education. So in absolutely poor impossible to meet their basic needs and then very poor. So they are also not possible to meet some basic needs in their life. So poor, these are categorized under the poor. So these absolutely poor and very poor and poor, these poverty line is the below poverty line. So these people are comes under the below poverty line. Why? Because the people not possible to meet their basic needs. And comes to the non-poor. So non-poor in that not so poor and middle class people and upper middle class people and the rich, the very rich, as well as in the non-poor is coming millionaires and billionaires is also. So in the non-poor people, they meet their basic needs in their life like changes in the world that many more may have enough to eat. They meet their basic needs like they have enough to eat and they have adequate shelter and as well as they access to the education and they meet their basic needs as well as footing, shelter and they have a safe drinking water also. So these are the two types categorized under the poverty line as well as the poverty. So the poor and the non-poor. In that poor, they are not possible to meet their basic needs. In that non-poor, they have adequate shelter, adequate enough to eat and meet the some basic needs in their life. So this is about who are the people, how we are identified the poor people in poverty. So today class we discuss about some introduction of poverty as well as who are the poor and how we are going to identify the poor people. So in the next class we discuss about types of poverty and the number of poor in India. So I hope today class you all are going to understand. So next class we will move to the types of poverty. Thank you.